Hey everybody, I hope you are having an awesome day. Got a can of cream of chicken and a can of cream of mushroom, if it'll come out. And I've got about a brick of Velveeta cheese, which I couldn't find the bricks, so I found the slices, and that works just as fine. Mix them all together, and then you're going to be adding, this is 2.5 cups of instant rice. I have this kind of rice, but it came boiled in a bag, but you can just cut open the bags and just measure out 2.5 cups, and that goes all around here. Add our next ingredient, which is canned chicken, and just put that. Kind of neat because the can actually comes with like chicken fat. So 1 can there. And then I've got 1 more can. Once we've got that, we're going to be adding a bag of chopped up broccoli. You can use the florets. I like using these cuts. It has more, chunky bits of broccoli, but you can use whatever you like. So that goes right on top like that. Some Lowry's seasoning salt, and obviously pepper. Got some onion powder, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of minced garlic. Last thing is a little bit of cayenne pepper, just for a little kick. Then we are going to be adding some half and half. We're going to be just kind of covering everything. Then we're going to top the whole thing with a 2-cup bag of Colby Jack cheese. And this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. It smells so great in here. So I'm going to take a spoon. I'm going to give this a good stir. Whew, my arm just got a workout right there. This is finally all mixed together. Make sure I get some broccoli in there as well. Ooh, it looks so good. Okay, some broccoli. The broccoli's still crunchy. And the rice is like chewy. So cheesy. It is so cheesy. And that little bit of chicken in there, with that protein. It's like a full meal. I hope you try it.